तो अभी मैं हूँ इंडिया की नंबर 1 यूनिवर्सिटी में और मेरे पास है जापानीज एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन पेपर।
तो आज की वीडियो में देखते हैं कि क्या इंडिया के सबसे स्मार्टेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टफेस्ट एग्जाम के कुछ क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर पाते हैं या नहीं। सो द रूल्स आर सिंपल। आउट ऑफ द गिवन 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट, आपको एक क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट करना है एंड सॉल्व करना है अंडर 3 मिनट्स। इफ यू आंसर करेक्टली यू विन 500 रुपीज एंड देन आपके पास चांस होगा टू प्ले फॉर 1000 रुपीज, बट टू विन आपको सॉल्व करने होंगे रेस्ट के 2 क्वेश्चंस इन द सेम टाइम।
Which year and which major are you
All
from?
first year.
All first years and which
BS, BTech.
Okay. Both BS.
Yeah, we both are BS.
Okay.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Wait. You guys are undergraduate students, right? First year, and you are also the same.
From BS.
You are from BS
Yes.
and fresher as well.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys like live together like in a roommate or something?
No, not room.
Okay.
Same
yes.
house.
This test is actually from a Japanese entrance examination, and if you solve this question, any one question from any subject, you will get 500 rupees. This is designed for international students who want to go for universities in Japan.
Okay.
So this is the question paper designed for that. You get 80 minutes to solve like 15 questions, but the only thing you have to be proficient in is the Japanese language examination as well.
JEE के लिए तो हम बचपन से पढ़ते हैं। Japanese entrance exam.
Japanese entrance exam, it's actually JEE. Okay. So it's like destiny.
कौन सा वाला condition?
The only catch is that you will get 2 minutes to answer. Once you decide which question you want to solve, you will only get 2 minutes to answer. If you are comfortable on sharing on the camera, if you like to share your rank as well.
In JEE mains I had 99.93 percentile and in advanced I had 750.
Okay, that's crazy.
Means percentile was 99.51 and advanced rank was around 6000.
So which question are you solving?
I'm
You have to select
solving
one.
this.
So this is physics, 6
Yes.
question, and you want to try chemistry, 8 question. Okay.
ट्राई का हो जाएगा एक्चुअली हो जाएगा पक्का हाँ तो तुमने क्यों नहीं किया मेरे से नहीं होगा
Maths आप करना चाहिए? Okay, can you give him? Like maths is on the difficult side, a little bit. Every step you have to find the value of A, B, C, D, everything. Are numerical value between 0 to 9 or a negative sign. So you have to give me what is A, B, C, D, E, F till Y, whatever it is.
ट्रॉमा हो गया JEE
So it's only been like 2 months since you guys are in IIH में. मुझे लगता है weather सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ है. Even if you get half of this correct, I will still give you the money. So since it's a long question. Okay, shall I start the timer? I have only 9% battery remaining. So okay, you are solving it. Can you take a notebook if you want? So your timer has begun. Okay, it's 2 minutes. Timer has begun. In the meantime, can I see your phone? This is nothing. 2 or 3A Pro. 3A Pro.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है सिंगल गेम प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रॉ इज, तो पहला कुछ भी निकाले दूसरे के पास फिर 1/3 प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी वो सेम निकालने की, तो फर्स्ट का आंसर तो 1/3 हो जाएगा।
Let's go here. I'm not a professional YouTuber, right?
Solve this.
Oh, you solved it. You still have 1 minute left.
Okay.
You can take your time to like. That's my job.
1/9, 2/9, 3/9, तो 1/3 प्रोबेबिलिटी है 1 की किसी भी गेम में जीतने की। 3 बार जीतने की उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हो जाएगी 1/3 इंटू 1/3, और फिर तीसरा गेम हारने की इंटू 1/3, फिर 1/3 इंटू 1/3 इंटू 1/3 इंटू 1/3 हो जाएगी चारों गेम जीतने की।
यहाँ पे ना हमें यहाँ पे नहीं करनी चाहिए थी वीडियो. There is so much aura here.
Second option.
Okay, you have 1 minute left. So you
Can do other questions.
No. No, you can just recheck. You can check again, just see the steps if it's correct. Maybe a numerical mistake, hopefully. 30 seconds left.
The probability that A wins 1, loses 1, since 2 games are draw is probability that the number of
Okay,
times
5, 4, 3, 2,
okay, then times
1. Time is over. I'm sorry. So you want to tell me the final answers?
I think I have solved.
Okay. I have solved the timer. And let's see if you are correct.
Okay.
I forgot it. You picked the second option. Clockwise, direction of vector, negative direction of x-axis. Okay. It's physics. 6. Okay, so the answer is 2. It's correct. You have won 500 rupees now. For
8th question.
question number 8, chemistry. Tell me your answer.
Second
B, which is 30. Number 8. Okay, for chemistry, question number 8, B is correct. So You have won 500 rupees now. Just give me the values of L, M, just like that. So although it's just 1 by 3, which means L is 1 and M is 3. So okay, L is 1, M is 3,
M is
which is correct.
For first part,
Yeah.
9 by 2, 1 by 9, 1 and 9.
Okay, which is correct.
Probability, that is 1 and 8 and 1. P is 1, Q is 8 and R is 1.
Sorry, can you say again?
P is 1,
Okay,
Q is 8, R is 1.
that is wrong. So even if you get like others correct, I will still give you the money. So
Oh, acha, I forgot the combination. C3 gaya, 4 by 27. 4, 2 and 7. P is 4.
okay,
Q is
so that is correct.
R is
Again, you have now won 500 rupees.
Thank
Okay, now there is a twist for you. Since you have solved it correctly, the twist is if you solve the second question as well in the same time, I will give you 1000.
2 minutes per question or
No, 2 minutes for both.
2 minutes for both of the
Yeah,
questions?
but this is
Last
double
one.
or nothing.
This
This is double or nothing. If you lose, I will take back the 500. You still wanna go?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so you have to solve question number 18 as well as 12. Okay,
I'll try.
you will try? Okay, okay. Wait, let me start the timer. I want more than half. Yeah, so if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe like 14, 13, 14, something like that.
ठीक है.
You are playing for double or nothing, right? Okay, and let me start your timer. Okay, so I have started your timer.
Since it's ABC in base 5 and CB in base 9.
Okay, 1 minute left. You done? Done with both?
Yeah, it's organic and inorganic questions.
Oh, so you just have to like take a look.
1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, 30 seconds left. Okay, sorry, your time is over. Let's see if it's correct. For physics, F6 again. Okay, you are choosing
Second option.
option 2, which is ML omega squares. Okay, so it's correct.
Okay.
So your 1000 rupees now lies on one question. Okay, if it's correct, then you will win 1000 rupees. Option 6. Okay, drum rolls. I have to make some drama. Okay, so for question number 2, 6 is also correct. So you won 1000 rupees. So for question number 18, the answer is 4, which is correct. Now it depends on 12. You are choosing 4 again. Are you sure about it? He's so confident. He is right. So yeah, you won 1000 rupees. It's correct. Battery percentage is 1%. So what is A and B?
A is 0 and 4.
Okay, B is correct, but A is wrong.
Sorry, that's stupid. CD, I mean.
Oh, CD, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
0 and
Got
4.
it. Got it.
And E and F are 1 and 4.
Got it. Correct.
And for G, it is, what is this? G is 2, H is 5,
Mm-hmm.
I is 5,
Okay.
फिर J is 8, K is
Okay.
1,
Okay.
L is 9, M is 6,
Mm.
N is 2,
Okay.
O is 0,
Okay.
P is 4,
Mm.
Q is 4,
Mm-hmm.
R is 1,
Okay.
S is 1,
Okay.
T is 2,
Okay.
U is 1,
Okay.
V is 1,
Okay.
W is 3,
Okay.
X is 2,
Okay.
Y is 1.
It's all are correct except from the first one. How? Okay. Got it. Okay. So you won 1000 rupees.
It was way too easy.
Way too easy. Main से थोड़ा सा वो advance से थोड़ा नीचे. You said physics was actually compared to similar to I have paid 1000 to that. So I'm officially broke now. Thanks. Yeah. You guys can party. Yes. Thank you so much for trying and yeah.